Let's take a moment to think about what walls represent in a living space. They're not just structural elements that divide rooms or support a roof. Walls are blank canvases, vast surfaces that hold potential for transformation. And while paint and wallpaper have long been the go-to choices for filling that space, there's something far more timeless and emotionally resonant taking over the world of modern design. That something is abstract wooden wall art. Now, when we think about wooden wall designs, we often imagine rustic panels, wooden beams, or maybe even farmhouse shiplap. But abstract wooden wall art is a completely different creature. It's a unique and expressive art form that marries structure with emotion, geometry with organic flow, and design with natural imperfection. These pieces don't just sit on the wall, they interact with it. They break the flatness, they draw attention, and they shift the atmosphere of an entire room. Abstract wooden wall designs are not about uniformity or repeating patterns. They are about surprise and movement. They make a statement. Whether it's flowing lines carved into solid planks, layered panels forming a topographic landscape, or fragmented wooden pieces arranged into a bold asymmetrical composition, these works bring depth, texture, and character to any space. And best of all, they're rooted in a material that speaks directly to our senses. The grain of the wood, its warmth, its scent, its imperfections, these are things we feel on a deep, almost subconscious level. There's something inherently calming about wood. Its organic nature, its earthy tones, its quiet strength, they all play a role in making a space feel more grounded, more human. And when that wood is used in an abstract design, something magical happens. You're not just experiencing wood as a building material, you're experiencing it as art, as expression, as emotion. One of the most exciting aspects of abstract wooden wall designs is their versatility. They can be loud or subtle, colorful or monochrome, geometric or freeform. A piece might consist of dozens of thin slats, all curving in synchronized rhythm, creating a sense of motion like waves or wind. Another piece might be bold and angular, with sharp cuts and deep grooves that reflect light in dramatic ways. Some designers incorporate layers, thick, overlapping segments that cast shadows and give a wall almost sculptural depth. Others work with reclaimed wood, combining rough textures with sleek design principles to create contrast and conversation. Because the concept of abstraction is open-ended, each wooden wall design can tell a completely different story. Some pieces feel serene and meditative, perhaps a set of concentric rings that draw the eye inward, suggesting balance and stillness. Others are dynamic and bold, using jarring angles and raw edges to evoke movement, disruption, even chaos. And that's the beauty of it. Abstract wooden wall art doesn't dictate how you should feel. It invites you to explore your own interpretation. In more minimalist interiors, abstract wooden designs can add a much-needed sense of warmth and complexity. Picture a room with white walls, neutral furniture, maybe some clean lines and glass. Very modern, very sleek. Now imagine a large-scale abstract wooden panel hanging on the main wall, its surface textured and layered with a mix of walnut, maple, and reclaimed oak. Suddenly the room changes. It becomes more welcoming. It develops a soul. The contrast between smooth minimalism and tactile natural art creates an irresistible tension that feels both modern and timeless. On the flip side, in more eclectic or rustic spaces, these abstract wooden creations can become unifying elements. They tie together various design elements, textiles, furniture, colors, by offering a grounding focal point. Wood has that power. It can soften a space, connect disparate elements, and elevate the overall experience without overwhelming the senses. Now, what really sets abstract wooden wall art apart is its handmade nature. Whether created by a professional artisan or a passionate DIY enthusiast, each piece reflects hours of thought, effort, and care. It's not mass-produced. It's not laser-cut and printed by machines. It's shaped by human hands, one cut, one sanding, one assembly at a time. That makes each piece deeply personal and full of character. Many artists also use techniques like pyrography, chiseling, staining, or layering different wood types to add contrast and complexity. Imagine a composition that mixes charred cedar with golden birch and deep mahogany, all in one abstract panel. The visual richness alone can become a conversation starter. And when you add in the textures and subtle natural scents, you're engaging multiple senses at once. Some abstract wooden wall designs even take a sculptural approach, extending several inches off the wall. These 3D wall features don't just decorate a room, they shape it. They play with light and shadow. As the sunlight changes throughout the day, so does the piece. It breathes. It evolves. It creates a living relationship with the space around it. And speaking of living relationships, abstract wooden wall designs are perfect for spaces that people use to reconnect, reflect, and recharge. Living rooms, bedrooms, meditation corners, reading nooks, even home offices, any place where you want to feel more present and more inspired. Wooden designs don't buzz with artificial energy like metal or plastic. They hum with quiet elegance. They encourage slower breathing, deeper thought, emotional grounding. Beyond the residential world, abstract wooden wall art is becoming popular in commercial and public spaces as well. Restaurants, boutique hotels, spas, galleries, all of them are embracing the trend. Why? Because people are drawn to spaces that feel authentic, handmade, and emotionally resonant. Abstract woodwork offers a level of sophistication and storytelling that sterile walls and framed prints simply can't compete with. Some designs even integrate other elements, metal, resin, glass, to add contrast and complexity. Picture an abstract wave made from interlocking wooden curves, with strips of blue epoxy resin flowing through it like water. Or a grid of carved wooden squares, each inset with a brass accent, catching the light at different angles. These are not just decorative accents. They're functional art. They elevate the very experience of being in a space. And that, perhaps, is what makes it truly timeless. Abstract wooden wall art doesn't follow trends. It doesn't need to, because its foundation is rooted in something far deeper than passing styles. It's rooted in nature, in craft, and in the universal language of form and feeling. Whether it's a simple pattern carved from reclaimed wood or a sprawling installation that mimics the flow of wind or water, each piece speaks in tones that resonate beyond the visual. It engages the senses. It invites pause. It evokes emotion. The very imperfections of the wood, the knots, the lines, the grains, they're not flaws. They're stories. Reminders of growth, of age, of resilience. When an artist chooses to keep those features visible, they're doing more than just honoring the material. They're choosing to showcase truth. Truth in texture. Truth in the process. And in a world that's often polished and filtered, that honesty is powerful. Abstract wooden wall art has the rare ability to be both grounding and uplifting. It connects us to the earth while also inviting our minds to wander. It creates a calm within a room, a stillness. And yet, at the same time, it challenges the eye. It asks questions. What does this shape remind me of? Why does this curve feel familiar? What emotion does this pattern stir in me? That's the magic of abstraction. There's no right answer, only what you see and feel. It's also incredibly versatile. Whether you're decorating a Scandinavian-style home with light birch tones and clean geometry, or a rustic cabin with rich walnut and bold, organic forms, abstract wooden art fits in seamlessly. It adapts. It enhances. It's the kind of decor that doesn't fight for attention but always earns it. It grows with the space. And because wood ages with character, your piece won't fade over time. It will become even more beautiful as the years go by. There's also something meaningful about how these pieces are made. Often they're not mass-produced. They're carved, cut, sanded, and assembled by hand. Each curve, each edge, the result of thoughtful human touch. You're not just hanging something on your wall, you're inviting the presence of artistry into your life. Of time, of patience, of the artist's story intersecting with your own. And for those who love to surround themselves with meaningful pieces, pieces that inspire, that calm, that provoke thought, abstract wooden wall art offers a perfect balance. It's not loud. It doesn't scream for attention. But it speaks clearly in the quiet language of craft and nature. So maybe it's not just about art. Maybe it's about what we're craving. In a world of constant noise and digital screens, wooden art offers silence, stillness, depth, a return to something real. A reminder that beauty doesn't have to be loud. That creativity doesn't need explanation. That sometimes, the most moving pieces are the ones that leave space for interpretation. So the next time you stand in a room and feel like something is missing, maybe look to the wall. Not for a picture of something, but for something that lets you imagine. Let your wall be more than just background. Let it be part of the story. And let wood, with all its honesty, complexity, and warmth, be the voice that tells it. Because in the end, abstract wooden wall art isn't just about design. It's about feeling. It's about presence. And it's about remembering that even the simplest piece of nature, shaped by human hands and hung with intention, can bring a world of meaning into your space.